Held golden crowns, now only broken stones whisper their names. The throne that ruled with pride and glory sleeps beneath the dust of forgotten history. The sword that once defended a kingdom now rusts in silence without a voice. A soldier marched away with hope in his heart, but never found the road back home. A mother kept a candle burning every night, waiting for footsteps that never return. Time never belongs to anyone. Every victory eventually becomes a memory. Empires rise, empires fall. History remembers, but people forget. Became empty shadows, their names faded with the wind. Love was buried beneath the battlefield, dreams drowned in rivers of blood. The walls still carry the cries of children, the gates still echo the last farewell. Every ruined temple tells a story, every broken palace hides 1,000 tears. The moon still shines over abandoned kingdoms, searching for souls that never came home. If time could turn backwards, perhaps the wars would never begin. If hearts had chosen compassion over pride, history might have smiled instead of weeping. The rivers still remember every fallen warrior, even when the world has forgotten their names. The wind still carries the final prayers across empty valleys and silent mountains. Every page of history is stained with sorrow. Not every hero returned victorious. Every monument was built upon sacrifice. Every empire paid a painful price. Crowns disappear, power fades away, gold turns into dust, and legends become whispers. Only memories survive, only history keeps crying. So if you ever stand before ancient ruins, close your eyes for a moment. Listen carefully. You may still hear a lonely soldier whisper, please don't forget us.